How to delete your Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete your Instagram account, simply go ahead and open up and log into your account. Once you have done so, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And here now, you want to tap on the hamburger icon that should pop up at the top right corner of the screen. Now here I'm having some error, but you can see right here. Once you have done so, you want to tap on the very first option that says account center right here. Once on account center, the next thing is you want to simply head into the option that says personal details. Then you want to tap on account ownership and control, then select deactivation or deletion, and then head into your account. Simply tap on the account that you want to delete, then make sure that the blue check mark is on the delete account option, the blue circle. Tap on continue and it should ask you for your password. Enter in your password, confirm your ID, and you'll be able to delete your account. This is how you can easily delete your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.